What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your HomePod Mini. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is completely unplug your HomePod Mini and then wait 10 seconds and plug it back in. Once you connect the HomePod Mini back up again, simply put your finger right in the middle until you see it's turning red. Continue to hold down.
Your HomePod is about to reset. Keep pressing until you hear 3 beeps.
And there you go. Your HomePod Mini has been reset. So this was my video on how to reset your HomePod Mini. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you enjoyed the video. You have a great day. Take care.